Hey, thanks for joining me today. It's just a little maintenance. That's all I've been doing this week. Just maintaining some systems. It's been a fun day, fun week. I think I lost my little green thing. I'll find it somewhere on this roof. I don't see it in the bag. I don't see it in my little gay Vito. Got my little gay Vito. I decided to take out of the closet. Oh my God, I got made fun of so bad the other day because I had my little gay Vito and I was with two of my coworkers. We were up on a roof. I was doing the maintenance. They were changing a heat exchanger and like, you just don't know. They were laughing their asses off at me. I felt so bad. I didn't know what to do. They made me feel so humiliated because my little gay Vito. I had my little gay Vito with me and they made me feel so bad. Speaking of problems, I should have brought my drill here. Okay. Well, you're looking at the fire here. It looks pretty, right? It looks like it's supposed to. I wasn't coming over this one to actually do anything here yet. I was just looking to see if I dropped a little green scrubber for the flame sensor. Let me move my dirty filters out of the way. Dirty filters, dirty filters. I was coming up here, I was gonna play with these meters. Show somebody who told me, oh, you can't test flame sensor with that. Show them that you can. Other dirty filters. I have no idea where I lost my little green scrubby. Probably dropped it in my little gay Vito. Oh, look at that little thing. It's so friggin' cute. This thing's a friggin' designer. It's my designer Vito. I mean, I put tools in it and I realized that this was empty. So it's like, what the fuck's the point? I still can't get enough in here that I have in there. So, but whatever. I got this for free with this. So did my little gay green thing go in there. Gotta stop in case any of my viewers really are gay. I don't want to offend those guys because I'm doing this playing around. But we laughed so hard at this little gay Vito, and at the end of the day, one of my coworkers was like, "Dude, Bill, I was afraid to let you, or I'm not gonna say the other guy's name, know that I have the same bag." After he's ripping on me all day for it, gotta love it. I opened up that can of worms. I was the one that opened myself up to that whooping. I've been up here for a little while now. I'm just cleaning some stuff up. I wonder if I should test pre and after. Doesn't have much. It's got this burn crap on it. But I'm just gonna clean it and put it in. I don't have time to waste with this. I gotta figure out how to set that little gay Vito up. See if it's useful. I mean, I got it for free, so I might as well use it. People are gonna freak out because I'm using a brass brush to clean it. Remember, you can clean stuff with brass. You're not gonna destroy it. Brass is soft. It's not like using sandpaper. Everything's like, no, don't do it. Don't clean it with the brass brush. Don't worry, guys. You'll see me break every friggin' violation according to Nate. If you watch enough of my videos, you'll even see some things that I do right. I love that. We'll even see a couple things that I may do right. I mean, if you're a rulebook Nazi, though, you don't want to watch me. I'll be straight up. My whole purpose is to make everything work I come in contact with. Gas on. I mean, nothing wrong doing maintenances. I like it. I mean, I already got a couple bad heat exchangers on this roof. One reason I started filming. That's all I'm doing this week. Trying to poke holes in heat exchangers. Not this one. This one looks pretty. I had the same problem with the one on the other side. The back end would make you think there's nothing wrong with it. And then you get on the top. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to show you, but the top of this looks really good. So I'm not worried about this one. This heat exchanger is the best one, I think, that's up here. Other than the brand new unit that's right next to me. So let me put this door back on. I'm gonna take you over to that one unit where I was showing you guys the burners. That heat exchanger, unfortunately, is no good. Remember, you're not killing these screws. You just don't want to be like tiring yourself out using an impact. I mean, using your screwdriver, nut driver, whatever. I got guys like, I thought you said never use an impact. I never said don't use an impact. I just didn't use it on that friggin' condenser fan motor on the contaminated video. Everybody freaked out. I can use whatever tools I want. Get over it, guys. And your job is do what you want. My job, I do what I want. As long as you're doing the best you can for your customer. So we'll come back to play with this thing. What am I hearing? I didn't like what I just heard. Oh, that looks like it's really close. That looks like it's a little too close to my liking. Power's off. I gotta put you guys closer so you guys can see. I can't see. I tried to take you guys off. I can't. Do you see what I see? I don't see anything. So close right there. That thing's got to be rubbing, so I'm gonna have to even adjust this thing. See, I'm just here for maintenance, and it's like one thing after another thing after another thing I'm working on here. That's tight. Why am I hearing? Oh, there's a broken wheel. That doesn't sound good at all. It's easier to get on these things. I can go straight on here, but what's the point? something. Look at that, it hits the side. It's like it's against the side right there. So unplug this, get the wires off. Is the wheel busted? Also, I could probably put the right screws into this now. Oh, let me get a few filters put underneath to protect the roof. We'll come back to this. Gotta straighten that out. Yeah, let me just do it now. So I don't screw this roof up. This roof looks old. Got a few dirty filters down. Might have to pull the whole blower. But I think the motor needs to be moved on the bracket. It's kind of what the biggest part of this problem. There, oh no, not at all. The problem is now it's against the motor. Shouldn't be doing that. So I got the rub marks. So I got rub marks in here, which I don't yet. That would tell me the wheel's broken. If along the plate, see a lot of rub marks. Can't tell if I have. Guys, I apologize. This is not a how-to channel. I get people like, you're not blah 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 enough. You're not. Okay, these are for the blower, not this. The ones with the blue. As you can see, it goes further in to that, unlike this. That one looks like it might actually be okay for there. Doesn't go as far, but Yeah, I'm gonna leave that one, that's fine. The first one just seemed a little weird. So this is now tight. It's not like it's even rubbing on the motor. Remember, it's gonna be hanging down. Oh, it'll be perfect. Let's get this piece of garbage back in. Let's see what's hit. I know one of my coworkers is gonna curse out whoever changed these. Let's see, I'm not going straight. I'm a nut driver, must be somewhere here. This is the flame sensor, so I can't be too far. There it is. I was grabbing the stubby. Let's start this thing. As long as it's going in straight, then the drill could take over. My hand's rubbing too much. Why do I want to rub the motor a lot? Oh, motor, you're so cute. Yeah, took it out. Because I just changed it. Let's make sure I put it on correctly. We're gonna check. It shouldn't matter. It's just power. We'll just check. Before everybody tells me I did it wrong. You went back. I smell gas. Oh my goodness, I smell gas in here. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna check that also while I'm here. Just gotta make these problems disappear as if they never happened. Yellow, black. It's not like it matters at all. It comes off the contactors. There's the yellow. It's breaking for my fan. Okay. Well, it is what it is. It's got I'm backwards. If it is, we'll see. Bzzz. Blowers on. None of that rubbing noise came in. Problem one taken care of and addressed. Deucer started. Gas is back on here. The bubble check, all that stuff up there. Remember, I also swept up a lot of dust, so when it first came on, you're gonna get all different orange flames and whatnot. Only thing that sucks about today is my daughter is in a play. Santa Claus. Nah, wish I went. Somebody left all the installation screws here and whatnot. That's just Swiss cheese. I'll come back. Like, I'm not gonna walk past this to close up the roof, but let them heat up a little bit. Meters I don't need. We're relocating for now. Make sure all the pieces are back together. As a maintenance guy, at times, be proud. Turn that off. Now this one's borderline. I didn't see any actual holes yet. I mean, but what scares me on this one, you're starting at these specs. This is nothing up there. You're going around on the upper heat exchanger. You're not getting much at all here, so that's not real scary. But now this stuff here, that's gonna go. I might be able to too easily go through that. Right there, right here. But before I start killing this thing, this is the one that you guys saw that fire on before. Fire looked perfect. This one's getting shut down when I'm done. I'm leaving it firing for now while I'm here, but I am shutting this one off. Okay, from the back end, what you're looking at is a beautiful heat exchanger. It looks fine. You're not seeing anything that would make you believe that this heat exchanger is compromised. And then as you're looking around, the bottom looks okay. I mean, some water's been spilling on it here. You're looking good there. You're looking at your seams. Over we go. We're looking at our seams. Everything so far is looking pretty good. Right there. I don't know if I'm killing it right or what, but right here is a hole. That's right. Over here is more holes. Down there could become holes if I put my screwdriver on it. Here, possible. Even I didn't even over here are going to be holes, but this one has to be shut off. I've got one here. I'm sure anywhere that you see those rust spots going forward, if I put my screwdriver on it, They go through like Swiss cheese. And here's a spot I can't see, but I know my screwdriver would probably just tear right through it. This burner, I can't really see that far, but it looks okay. This one, this was easier when I had the blower pulled. Before, I mean, this one, whatever, but here, this one has a lot of that rust stuff. So, and I have this one off. See, I'm only doing maintenance. I'm not here troubleshooting, but look at just maintenance, what you run into. Just doing heat maintenances, heat PMs. So, I mean, for those of you that are out there just doing maintenances lead to a lot of work. A lot of unnecessary, unwanted work. Like, this heat exchanger is bad. I don't want to probe the heat exchanger behind me because I know it's going to happen. I know it's going to be bad. I just wanted to get a better look at it, so I took the whole thing off. I feel like I'm too far over. I might have put it upside down. And here's one heat exchanger I'm writing up. 2 guys, 8 hours. Turn it on. See if the burners shoot on. If not, I'll jump it. Just because I want to show. How, if you're just looking at the burners, you'd miss this one. You wouldn't even see it. W1, W2, and R. Thermostat satisfied, so. I'm not able to turn this off. Let's check out what some genius did. Thumbs up, over, valve. Keys hits that lens. Heat exchange is perfect on that, no issues. Comes over, into the unit. So I'll turn up here. I mean, there's a lot of rust and gunk in those burners. There goes the fire. I think the second tube and one of these, but blower's not on yet. I have to do an amp draw on that motor. It's got a little noise to it. This one was one of the ones with the holes. There's my blower. All of them are burning perfect. I have no rollout right now at all. So don't just go on rollout. If you're going on just rollout, you would miss this. And that spider's running for his life. He's like, it's hot everywhere I go. It's friggin' freaking hot. He's running away. It's hot. Who put the fire on? Help, guys, help, help, help. He's still running though. It can't be that hot. Oh, I think he's done. No, he's still going. It's not that hot, I guess. Run, little guy, run. Escape. Don't touch that. That's even hotter than the plate you're on. Oop, done. He's cooked. We now have a cooked spider. I don't think he's moving anymore. I think that's it. He's toast. No, he's still alive. Oh, wow. They could take some heat. That's crazy. I definitely thought he was toast. He's running up. He's getting away. Go, guy, go. No, he's gonna go back towards the friggin' heat exchanger. Nope, go away. Yeah, exactly. Go that way. Do not. Yeah, hang on your web, dude. That's got to be nice and cool up there. But yeah, no. Let's ignore the spider that completely distracted me. And look, there's no rollout. None. But I have a bad heat exchanger. Okay, let's let this guy run for a little while. We have no rollout, so we'll give him a little heat inside. Another from the back end. Heat exchanger that does not look bad. This one actually, again, like the other one, looks like it's kind of on the newer side. Oop, that's gonna be, there's a hole. Let me get the other light. Let me shut this thing off so it won't fire. Let it be off for a few minutes. I don't want to find another hole. At least not on this one. I'm not going to touch it because it's not, no actual holes are there yet. 3 heat exchangers in one roof just sucks. Have to tell somebody you need 3 heat exchangers done. I mean, right there, I'm worried about that. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't. What are you doing? I said not to do it. I said no. I said no. Oh. No. Nice. Nice. I like that. I like that. I probably didn't do hard enough, but no. 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 Remember, you're not, if you do that, you're going to go right through. You're going to be like, what are you doing? Why don't you? I'm just making sure. That'll go this year, hopefully. Surprisingly, when the inside of this, it looked bad, but this is not the droid that I'm after. This is where the head lamp would have been better. Right here. That'll be our first test spot. Open. really do need an inspection cam. No, looked like it would, but it didn't. I'm gonna have to watch this replay because I can't really see. Uh-oh, it's in. This heat exchanger's toast, garbage. Right there. Right there. That sucks. Oh, that's two heat exchangers on this job. One that I thought would be bad, that it wasn't. Oh, and I look at this side. I'm wondering if I go this way. Why is this side always seem like... Wait. Up, there's a possible hole also right here. I thought it was dropping into the dock. Is that already a hole? Hard to tell, but I got one. How many more do I need to find? Look at that. Now there's two future jobs from this maintenance. Oh, I'm gonna get back to my maintenance. I mean, still gotta change the filters on this guy, even though he's got a bad heat exchanger. I didn't find anything wrong with this heat exchanger, so I'm gonna close this back up. This is real close to, but this one actually passed. I didn't find anywhere to write that one up. He failed, he's good. So, I mean, two bad heat exchangers up here on this roof. Even though I'm just a maintenance guy, doesn't mean that I'm not gonna run into problems. You know, somebody having problems. That building over there, this friggin' roof fell in. I hate domes, but that thing just collapsed. I don't know who thought that was a great idea. Well, hope you guys have been having a good week. I'm gonna wrap up my maintenance. I got some things to test. Since this one's working, he's gonna be tested out. He's getting shut down. Got the middle one. The newer one is still test, but I mean, this is only a year old. So, enough of boring you guys with my maintenances and probing heat exchangers. Till next time, I'm out.